Pioneer Village, and I am looking for the steam tractor that Alex Swanson built. That is not it. That was the first thing I saw when I walked in here. But here's what it looked like. Built in 1933 by Alex Swanson in Stromsburg, Nebraska. And there it is today. It is on display here at Pioneer Village. I'm not sure if it's the original color. It's different than the pictures I got from Roger Gable. But here is the back end of it. And there it is now. So I've looked for this thing for probably 2 or 3 years, and it is awesome to find it, and it's in great condition. So it's the end of my journey on the tractor, I guess.